friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create shapefiles in Arc GIS. To create any shapefile in Arc GIS, go to the Arc catalog, connect to the folder where you want to create your files. Select the folder and right click over there, select new and click on shapefiles. You can type the file name over here. Select the feature type, whatever you want. There are 5 options: points, polylines, polygons, multi-points and multi-patches. I want to digitize wells in point file, so I select the point. To specify the reference, go to the editor, select the projected coordinate system, UTM WGS 1984, Northern Hemisphere, and select the UTM zone of your project area. Click on OK, again click on OK. Go to the Start Editor, click on Start Editing, click on Create Feature icon, select your shapefile. From Construction tool, select the point and start digitizing your features, just like this. Go to the editor, click on Save, again Editor and click on Stop Editing. Now we will create another shapefile for line features. Go to the catalog, select the folder, right click on that, select new shapefile. I will type here road. I want to digitize the roads in line feature. So I select here polyline, click on editor, projected coordinate system, UTM, WGS 1984 in the hemisphere and your zone of your project area. Click on OK, again click on OK. You can close our catalog, go to the editor, click on Start Editing, Create Features. From the Create Feature window, select File. In the Construction tool, select Line and just start the digitization. Digitize it carefully and properly. And to stop the editing, just double click over there. Again go to editor, save edits, editor, stop edits. We can create the shapefile of polygon feature also here. Go to the folder, select new shapefile. Type here buildings. We have to select the polygon over here. Go to the editor, select the coordinate systems. Click on OK button, again OK. Go to the editor, start editing, create feature, select the shapefile. And just start digitizing carefully. Like this, you can digitize the building footprints. Go to the editor, click on Save Edits and Stop Edits. I hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel.